Hi my friends, once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the demanded exclusive varieties. What kind of varieties? Most of working women are working in different sectors, different companies. Today I'm going to show you cotton segment, office wear, formal collections, very sober and very demanded, very pretty collections. If I talk about these collections, which is Chanderi cotton, and these varieties are mini butta printed sarees. So when you wear office collections, these collections are very demanded. This starts from around 220. If we talk about these collections range, it starts from around 220, in between around 350 to 450. But I'm going to show you around 222 range of collections. So I request everyone, these kind of varieties, cotton resellers have also these varieties at your business. So subscribe the channel, quickly see the video, take a screenshot and call our online team and place an order. If I talk about these office wear formal collections, these are in cotton segment, Chanderi cotton, price range some 220 to 350 to 400. Today I'm going to show you 220 range of collections, some 350 to 400. Take a screenshot, watch the video and call our online team and quickly add into your business. These fabrics in one color and different borders and different butta colors. These exactly demands in the wholesale price at friendly budget. So subscribe the channel, let's see the samples and place an order. Here are some samples. If I talk about some varieties, the chocolate color, very pretty. This is actually pallu, beautiful pallu. And this is, if I talk about the body concept, mini butta. You have a mini butta leafy pattern, royal butti. This is the code is called royal butti. If I talk about next butta, if I talk about this rama green, you have a checks pattern, which is covered leafy pattern. Let's see the body part. This is the sample. This you have a diamond shape or jewelry shape based. This is also royal butta. If we talk about the chocolate maroon, very pretty color, but you can see the body parts are having official formal colors, light gray, light greenish shade with beige green and dark cream color. And this is chocolate color. The butta is very beautiful star printed butta. This is also royal booty. If I talk about next color, these are all casual colors but formal wear. Very light pista green or mehendi green, I can say. And if I talk about this is also lovely pattern print. Every sari you can see the different mini buttas, different colors and different borders. This is the pattern and this is the Chanderi cotton pallu. And if I talk about the dark color, very lovely yellow, lovely yellow with yellow cream color body part. See, this is also the different buttas. Covered butta, multiple buttas are designed. And this is also royal booty, means I want to say one code, different butta. All are at same official formal colors, but different butta. But the code is one, royal booty. You can take a code and you can place an order. Let's see dark colors. Now the dark colors are, this is one thing, dark mehendi green. I can say one of the dark khaki color. And this is something around mud color is mixed actually. It looks very matte, but it is also formal color. Very pretty color, mud gray. And you have a dark, which is dark one of the color combination. After putting the mehendi, the color which changes this type of color it is. And if I talk about the next color, which is a bold print. Some like in office formal wear, bold print. See, now we have seen all the mini buttas. Now we are seeing a bold butta printed, and you have a gap borders. In this gap borders you have a design. These are the shades. This is also office wear. This is Suhani is the code. This Suhani is the code in this. If I talk about next pattern, contrast colors. These are also a office wear colors which is contrasted. This is one of the military green color combination and the magenta color gap borders. In the, you have a geometrical pattern print. This is also Suhani. So every sari either bold print, either the mini print. Every pallu which is highlighted, when you wash these colors and you wear normally for office all looks very pretty color charts. So you no need to worry. Every code are very beautiful and lovely printed collections with the butta designs. So you have every customized order, you have all kind of butta printed formal wear colors. So if you're looking for these size of butta varieties and printed saris, you can quickly call Kesaria Manufacturers and you can place an order for COD options pan India 20 to 25,000. If you're in out of India, you can do the ready-made women apparels for Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, US, all varieties. You have a woman ethnic wears and Indo-Western or Western wear of collections with the color charts with all varieties, including the kids varieties. Hope you enjoyed these varieties. So call our online team, place an order and try to visit once Kesaria Manufacturers. You all know Surat is very familiar for diamonds and for the textile manufacturers. And the first benefit is very most important and demanded benefit is from Surat railway station, you have a Doriwala. Within 3 minutes, you can reach by walkable distance, not required autos or cab. It's very easy. And when you come to reception, you just communicate, drop your name and location and the language, you will get the sales executive. That is what you have to do. When you're not able to travel, take a mobile, do video calling purchase. Next video we'll meet. Hope you enjoy these varieties of formal wear saris with cotton butta saris. So subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Don't forget to share me in the comments your name and your location. So keep supporting me. Next video we'll meet, friends. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.